Facial oils. Need one, don't need one, under, over moisturizer, what to do? I have recorded this for you because I want to help you with the world of facial oils. I've been talking a lot recently about oils and creams, and within the Pinks Boutique range, we are very excited because we've just launched 3 new facial oils. So it seemed wise to talk about facial oils, but as always, I'm just going to talk about them generically, all facial oils. So I want to make sure that in this video, I explain why you should use them, what the benefits of facial oils are, and the different ways that you can use them. In the last few years, they have been a phenomenon. They've gone from barely existing within the last 5 years, just booming, and there being tons and tons and tons of them. So why do I need one? They are a very, very easy route to nourishing your skin. Pretty instant nourishment and softening for the skin. And you need that. You need that combined, however, always with a moisturizer. Facial oils are not moisturizers. They are not an alternative to a moisturizer. You still need moisturizers or balm moisturizers or cream moisturizers because you're going to need the ingredients in moisturizers like glycerine and hyaluronic acid. So you still need your moisturizer. So why else? Oils have different molecule sizes. So one of the ways when you're buying and formulating with oils, one of the ways you differentiate them is the molecule sizes. And the better quality the oil, the smaller the molecules, the more ability it has to penetrate deeper into the skin. So you want some facial oil in your life because of the molecule size as well. However, what that means, that only stands if you get the right oils and completely avoid any petroleum derivatives. So completely avoiding anything with paraffin liquid, mineral oil, petroleum oil, and do not trust the front of the bottle. Just because it says argan facial oil or jojoba facial oil, that does not mean it's pure argan or pure jojoba. Go to the back, look at the INCI, the ingredient list, and make sure that it isn't watered down, oiled down, I suppose. Watered down, oiled down, oiled down with any cheap, more mineral-based oil like we've been talking about in a lot of videos recently. So next up, and one of my favorite reasons, and this is the therapist reason why you need to use them, they are amazing because they make you massage your face when you put them on. And as soon as you start adding warmth and massaging, you are doing my job. You are doing what your facialist will be doing because you are boosting blood into your face. With that boost of blood, you're going to get oxygen, you're going to get nutrients, you're going to get removal of waste and carbon dioxide, altogether better cell regeneration. Plus, just like when you go to the gym, you're helping to actually strengthen and tone and smooth out fine lines and prevent any sagging. And that is probably, for me, my personal favorite reason why you need to use facial oils. And I'm going to shoot some mini little videos on how to apply them. And per concern area, for me it's always here, but for you it might be your eyes or your smile lines, different things you can do with your facial oil to help get rid of those. So make sure that you massage with them. Fundamentally, you can use them AM or PM. People tend to use them as PM, and I'd say if you're completely new to facial oils, then I would start in the evening, but you can use them in the daytime. If you use them in the daytime, just go easy. I think the biggest problem with facial oils is people put way too much on. You need a couple of drops. And if you do use them in the daytime, another bonus is that they really help smooth on foundations and makeups. Also, almost like they're trying to act as a bit of a primer base. So that's a bonus that you don't always think about. Let's focus then on why and how. So we've done the why, let's focus on how, when you're going to put them on. So I've just said it can be AM or PM. But if you're anxious, start with the PM. Do not ignore this if you've got oily skin. You've heard me say probably a few times by now that oil helps oil. What you just need to do is make sure you've got the right ingredients. So you need to buy a facial oil that is specifically made for oily skin, and you need to use a couple of drops only. Now, when you read facial oil bottles, some will say apply under moisturizer. So you're always going to cleanse the skin, double cleanse ideally, tone, put your serum on if your serum happens to be a gel or a cream serum, okay? Then you would put your facial oil on next, and then a moisturizer. However, that isn't the only way. So if you put it on underneath the moisturizer, what that will do is give you instant nourishment, softening, and then your moisturizer sits over the top. However, I want you to try on your skin, do a week of that, but also try a week of the opposite. So if with your facial oil, put your moisturizer on, then put your facial oil over the top and let it sit there and act as an occlusion. So if it goes over the top of a moisturizer, what it will do is help trap the water that's in the moisturizer into your skin, which if you have a very dry or dehydrated skin, then that is absolutely definitely worth a try. So they can go under moisturizers, they can go over moisturizers. And last up, they can mix into your moisturizers as well. So mix a couple of drops into your moisturizer and apply. They really are incredibly flexible. You just need to choose the right one, choose the right ingredient list, match it to your skin type, and then have a good play as to which stage you use it. I hope you've enjoyed this. I love talking about facial oils because I really like them and I really would like you to have them in your life. Please share this with anyone that you know that will be interested and give it a thumbs up. And let me know your experience of facial oils, whether you're using them, which ones you're using, which ones you've liked, haven't liked, and I will see you next time.